Hi dropshippers! Welcome to eProlo Academy. For Amazon sellers, writing a compelling listing that appeals to both the algorithm and customers can be challenging. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to craft a product listing that takes your business to the next level. So, buckle up, and let's start with identifying selling points and pain points. Before you start crafting your Amazon product listing, it's essential to understand what makes your product unique and how it can solve problems for potential customers. This begins with identifying both your selling points and pain points. The first step to identifying your selling points is to conduct competitor research. By searching for similar products, you can identify the top-selling items in your category. Analyze their product listings to learn what they're doing well and which features they emphasize. Pay close attention to their descriptions and compare them to your own. Highlight the aspects of your product that set it apart, whether it's superior quality, durability, or a unique feature that competitors lack. Next, it's crucial to identify the pain points that your product can address. A good, valuable product should be able to solve a problem. There are two effective ways to identify customer pain points: reading negative reviews and browsing Q&A sections. By reading through the negative reviews of similar products, you can learn what customers are complaining about and what they truly need. These reviews provide valuable insight into the common issues or frustrations they face. Additionally, by browsing the Q&A sections of competitor listings, you can uncover the questions and concerns that potential customers have before making a purchase. Once you've identified these pain points, you can position your product as the solution, such as using different materials to make it more durable. This clearly shows how your product alleviates these issues. Understanding both selling points and pain points is key to crafting a compelling listing. When you know what your customers want and what they struggle with, you can create a product page that directly satisfies their needs. Keep in mind that highlighting the benefits and showcasing how your product can directly address their issues will significantly increase your chances of making sales. After identifying your product's unique selling points and customer pain points, it's time to focus on discovering Amazon keywords for further optimization. Amazon keywords are the specific words and phrases that potential customers use to search for products on Amazon. These keywords are critical for optimizing your product listing to ensure it appears in relevant search results. Using Amazon keywords properly can help your product rank higher in search results, increasing the chances of potential customers finding your product. There are several ways to discover Amazon keywords. The first method is to use the Amazon search bar. Simply type potential keywords into the search bar and see what auto-suggestions and related searches come up. These suggestions can give you a clear idea of what customers are actively searching for. Additionally, you can use keyword research tools to identify high-volume, relevant keywords, and they can also provide valuable insights into keyword competition and trends. If you're preparing to launch a new product, consider incorporating long-tail keywords into your product listing. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases, typically consisting of 3 or more words. Compared to short-tail keywords, long-tail keywords usually drive less traffic, but they are more targeted and tend to convert better into sales. They also face lower competition, making it easier to rank for them. Therefore, using long-tail keywords for new product listings is a great strategy. You can also try a balanced approach, which involves using both short-tail and long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords help you capture a broad audience, while long-tail keywords target specific customer needs, increasing your chances of making sales. When selecting Amazon keywords, always choose terms that match customer intent. This ensures your product is more likely to appear in relevant search results, boosting its visibility. While understanding your product's selling points and pain points helps you communicate what your product offers, discovering the right keywords ensures that customers can actually find your product. These two elements are closely connected, and terms relevant to your selling points or pain points can also be used as Amazon keywords. By understanding the distinct purposes of these two elements and discovering the right Amazon keywords, you've laid a solid foundation for creating an effective Amazon product listing. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of crafting your Amazon product listing. Amazon product listing is the heart of your product's presence on Amazon and heavily influences customers' purchasing decisions. To craft a compelling listing, focus on several key elements: titles, bullet points, A+ content, images, and the Q&A section. Let's break down each part. Let's start with product titles. Your title should be clear, concise, and informative, while also optimized for search engines. Amazon recently updated its product title policy, which includes character limits and keyword restrictions. Titles can't exceed 200 characters for most categories, and special characters like exclamation marks or question marks are not allowed. Additionally, a word cannot be used more than twice in the title, except for prepositions, articles, and conjunctions. When crafting your title, make sure it includes essential details like the brand name, product type, and key features such as size or color. To make the title both compelling and search-optimized, use relevant keywords naturally. For example, instead of simply saying water bottle, you could say brand name insulated stainless steel water bottle, 32 Oz, leak-proof, BPA-free. This title includes important keywords like insulated, stainless steel, and water bottle, making it more likely to appear in searches. Next, we have bullet points. This section is where you highlight the key features and benefits of your product, allowing buyers to quickly understand what makes it stand out. Start with the most important aspects first, as impatient buyers often skim through listings. Each bullet point should be short, clear, and impactful. For example, keeps ice or heat for 8 hours. This is also the best place to naturally incorporate your keywords, like eco-friendly, durable, or perfect for travel, to help optimize your listing for Amazon's search algorithm. A+ content is an advanced feature available to brand-registered sellers that lets you enrich your product description with images, videos, and comparison charts. This feature helps your product stand out by providing more in-depth information about its value. Sellers using A+ content see an average sales increase of 3 to 10%. When creating A+ content, use high-quality images, balance visuals with text, and consider to include infographics. For example, try to include comparison chart to highlight your product's advantages over competitors. You can also include brand stories, promotional information, and other content depending on your goals. Product images are just as important as your title and bullet points. Since customers can't physically inspect your product, they rely on images to understand it. Choose the right images to help make a sale. You can upload up to 7 images and 1 video for your listing. According to Amazon, the main image should have a pure white background to help customers easily see your product. For additional images, showcase product features, real-world use, details, and sizes. Lastly, it's also recommended to include a video to give a better view of the product, such as a 360-degree video. The Q&A section may seem less important, but it plays a big role in boosting conversions. Many customers look here for additional information before deciding to purchase. Review the Q&A section of similar products to see what concerns customers have and answer them in your own section. Address any questions clearly and accurately to reduce doubts and increase trust. A well-crafted Q&A section can build customer confidence and help prevent abandoned carts. These are the 5 key areas of an Amazon product listing: titles, bullet points, A+ content, images, and the Q&A section. By carefully crafting each of these sections, you can create a compelling listing that resonates with both the Amazon algorithm and customers. Each part plays a unique role in improving your visibility on Amazon and converting clicks into sales. That's all for this video. By identifying your selling points, pain points, and Amazon keywords, you can incorporate them into each part of your product listing. Keep in mind to integrate them naturally while ensuring readability. If you want to learn more about e-commerce, be sure to subscribe to our channel or check out eProlo Academy for more valuable content.